Minista Muviani wa Kinandu John Mbadi Niwatavya Ambunge kana Unyaiikya wa budget Nene Muviani wa Kisomo Ndivi kwa Mathie Nthi na Ngalama ya Misaala ya Athukumi ma Silikali Nisyiulekw'a Ilovia cia Uthukumi Iliombunge Ng-Cdf Iselewa kwa Myai Itatu Ooyu Mbadi Avikite Mbee wa Ambunge kwi umuthi ni wavithwa bilioni muonza Nilekilw'E ni muvia wa Kinandu umuthi kungamia Uthukumi Kinandu Nthi na Myai ute muthelu bilioni ingi muonza Nisyiulekw'a kutetheesya mwiana wa Kinandu ki vamwe na cha Ambunge amwaito cha Ngaf Benjamin Mwaka nutumbanisye mauvoa.
Bunge kwi umuthi ni amukwata kaka Minista wa Kinandu John Mbadi kumana na kuendea kuselewa kwa mpesa cia Uthukumi ilioni yumbe cia Ng-Cdf yumbe ala meina uthatu mwingi maikulia manengo usungio na wathi usungio musiweka kilungu kimwe cha Ilovia ile itaitwe Nilekilw'E ni Silikali kwi umuthi.
In the month of April, and that is not long ago, that is actually today, that is today. What I may not have here is the time, but I have evidence that we released another 7 billion shillings. But then, I want to give a commitment again, because you can see that we have the intention to make sure that there is money released to Ng-Cdf. I want to give a commitment that in the course of this April, we will give again another 7 billion.
Mbadi nwalazimika kuelezea niki Ilovia isithitwe Iselewa na muno Mathie ma mwaka huu igweta mathina maumanitwe na mawendi angi manene ma budget sector ningi guthukanyo.
The month of January, the month of February, the month of March is usually, those are very difficult months for us at the National Treasury and the economy of Kenya as a whole. I want to explain to my colleagues that these are the months. First, you must pay capitation to schools in the first term. This is the time that you pay most of the loans, especially the loans which we took bilateral loan, we took from China to pay for SGR. And you pay salary of 80 billion. Our salary wage bill has moved from 75 billion, the way it was in December, to 80 billion per month in January. Why? One, we onboarded JSS teachers at enhanced salaries.
The bare minimum and take home as we speak is 21 billion. All these other things you are saying, capitation, county money, it is your responsibility as government to send these monies. The year is coming to an end. Mheshimiwa Mbadi.
Na yumu yumbe wa kilome engineer Thanda Zambia ni wa Ilovia cia Kinandu ki ikatato tungwa ngwendene ni gwithwa vena mawia na mawendi maingi mende Ilovia hii ala maende na kukwama Ooyu.
Members of parliament kuma across the whole country ningwenda kuma appreciate ni kwithia. If you walk around, most of the projects you see are from CDF. Na kuma January to expect ya with the nenge to enough funds sia nenge siana bursaries. Amina kuwete mbesa isu with at least Nene ya upanda wa kilome with the union enough money no as we speak. All the university na colleges ne makwati mbesa sio to distribute mbesa sio ne makwati ye with the leadership ya the university students na tina mbesa oingi oitia late lakini itiania secondary sionde. But anyway, commit if it will be possible, mamino release mbesa isu where they are not nenga mbesa ila itialete ku ma secondary schools ku bingwa immediately where they are saying ma receive mbesa ku ma school.
Zambia henda tongo yala maende ya kuvuthisya vino Uthukumi wa CDF iliono yumbe ta mutongo wa DM Raila Odinga maekane vyo na thesilia thiu na kwithwa Uthukumi wa Kinandu ki andune ku ya iliono yumbe uivithika kana kuvuthiwa ni mundu ana wiva
mzee no kuita mundu na ndi ready kwenda umusongia issues ya CDF nundu honestly speaking ona kila alinda kila kitemetho kabisa pai mundu teze kubikia bau mibangilio ila katika kila constituency ya CDF wasisia na ithitu yikwata governors but generally wosa bezilate kwata cha CDF wa compare na bezilate cia counties kana wa compare the projects with your like in my constituency we project yemwe ya account with awonie 10 cha constituency cha CDF ku yona kuti kende cha utinda yene na nisya na ningi wetha la ile wenda mameki campaign tool yake ningi ndoke ko wena thina tuko manona muzee tuonane nake
vilingwa mauvu kumavamia kone Ambunge ni kaunti Ilovia nyenita wa Benjamin Mwaka.